I born and raised in Hong Kong。我一路都出生喺香港，喺香港做嘢。
And tell me something about you, your style, your background.
我喺香港有自己鋪頭做一種叫做 ornamental tattoo 裝飾類嘅紋身喺香港，咁就依家一路都喺香港嗰度去建立緊好多一啲比較大面積嘅圖案，一啲完全係我覺得唔係淨係一個紋身，係一個去建立去 build up 一個身體嘅一種裝飾類嘅圖案喺人體上邊去 fit 佢哋嘅身形啊、body 啊各樣嘅嘢，而唔係完全淨係一個紋身，而係一整個身體去建立。
You see many change from the beginning to now?
有，一定有好大嘅改變。由我啱啱開始做紋身嘅時候，其實都仲係嗰個年代，講緊都10年前啦，起碼都係會有種大家有個傳統喺度。以前香港本來做緊嘅嘢咁，但係我睇住個改變，其實好開心嘅。喺香港嗰度有一個咁大嘅改變，有頭先咁講好多唔同嘅元素喺呢一度去成長。然後有好多人佢哋專注喺自己嗰個風格上邊，去淨係專注喺嗰方面去做到好大或者好勁、好開心、好靚。呢樣嘢係我覺得最開心見到嘅咁樣。
Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you. Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
No problem.